First is to switch on the printer, so press the power button, and next is to install the setup ink cartridges. So open the front door, the ink chamber is here. So ink chamber is here. Now we have to install all the ink cartridges. So take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. Now the nozzle will go directly inside like this. So let's start with the black. So slide it in and push it in. Once you hear lock sound, that means it is installed properly. Next is yellow. So you have to do it for all 4 ink cartridges. And that's the last one. It's very easy to install. Now close this chamber. Now we have to load the paper. So you can use any paper tray. So there are 2 paper trays here. Load the page and close it. Go to the screen and confirm the type of paper. So press OK. Just enter the date, time and everything, and then you will see your main screen. The next thing is to do the wireless setup. That means connecting with the Wi-Fi network. So click on the wireless button, find the Wi-Fi network, select it, select your Wi-Fi network, press OK, enter the Wi-Fi password, enter the password and click OK. Printer is connected to the wireless network, click OK and press the home button and you will see the wireless network available here. Next thing is to add inner device for printing and scanning. Go to your iPhone and download the Brother Mobile Connect app and open this app. Select first option, that is registering your machine connected with the Wi-Fi. The next screen it will display your printer, so select it. So once you finish the setup, you should be able to see your printer with all the options like printing, scanning. So let's do a print. So select a document. Once I select a document, click on the print button. Paper output tray is here. So this way we can do the setup of this printer and then we can start using it for wireless printing, and you can also do the scanning. Thanks for watching.